Welcome back, Legacy Driven family. All right, maybe that's not a good intro, but we're gonna use it anyways. But anyways, what's up, peeps? We got Ethan.
What's up, guys?
We got Ethan right here. Ethan, let me tell you something about Ethan. Ethan is a car expert guru. Ethan, tell him what that is right there.
Right here's the Type 4. See, Type 4.
Told you, expert. So we've been doing videos. Lately we've been pumping them out. You know what I'm saying? You know, we did one where we installed the rear seat on the Indian, the Scott Bobber 60. We've done a couple videos on car meets. Still got some point of views. We got a point of view on the Mustang Dark Horse, which is sitting over there, and then we got a point of view on this guy. All those are test videos, by the way. They're just tests. We're trying out like different camera angles because, like I said, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it as a hobby, and I think it's pretty fun. And I'm just starting to get used to like mic placement and the camera placements and things like that of that nature. Ethan is trying to get comfortable with the camera. He's not even looking at you guys now. He is, but he's trying to get comfortable with the camera. Every time he records like this. I get a stabilizing bar or something for him so that, you know, when he's doing all that crazy maneuvers, the camera's straight. But anyways, I made a little sticker. Here's the sticker. Pause the video, look at it. Don't know if I'm gonna put it on the car yet. I might. I just don't know if I like the way the sticker came out with this like square thing, but it's a cool little sticker. I do have a goal of coming up with like shirt designs and some merch just to put up there just to kind of help with funding some of these car things. Intake and an inlet pipe. So I know there's 1,000 videos of how to do this, but you haven't seen a video of me doing it. So, or Ethan, right? Because, I mean, you're always looking for the 10mm, but he never finds it. Any suggestions, like when you guys watch these videos, any suggestion will help. I take all the feedback, any criticism that you guys want to put, things that you want to see, whatever, you know, just throw stuff at us and we'll put something together. But so far, like I said, I'm enjoying making the videos. It's pretty fun. And, you know, I got a passion for cars. I love cars and, you know, on this journey with us, you know, here at Legacy Driven. Like I said, that's why I named the channel Legacy Driven, because, you know, from my family to yours, let's leave a legacy behind, something that the kids could go back and watch. The kit that I got was used, so some of the parts that are on the kit already are already installed. So, but what we're gonna start is we're gonna take this whole intake piece off right here. We're gonna take, there's one 10mm bolt, one 10mm bolt, one back here. We're gonna remove this harness out of the way a little bit, and then we're gonna play with the light a little bit. So Ethan, try to get the light in here so we can see. We're gonna start by moving this dude. Let's see. See if you can see on that smoke. Actually, I don't even see.
I want to bring it closer or like this?
I would bring it to the front, maybe up. My shop, my husband I don't have light in the shop, so I gotta get light. I gotta get that working. Let's see. Now, I think, see if we can bring me like a 7. Like a 7. Then I'm gonna take this down here. See if it fits in this window.
No, this is the 6.
Yeah, we'll find the 6 later. I think we're gonna take sensor, so I'll plug the gap sensor. Set it to the side for now.
We got 4 and 5. 4 doesn't say.
It's gonna be a 5.
Yeah.
Find me a small extension for this. The engine bay is a little dirty, boy. I don't know what needs to be reused with this, but I'm just gonna take it off. As well, just to give me more room. I think we keep this piece. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just gonna take it off anyways. Just consistent, so we're gonna take loosen that, hold that for a second, take it off a lot more. Let's see why I have so much. It is so hot too in Florida. Golly, man, it's crazy. All right, hold up.
Hello, Scooby.
All right, so that's out. I'll leave that there for now. I just have to push this down. We're just gonna open this guy. Take that. So take this. And I think that's right. I think this piece comes off too. I think. It's got a little thing right here. And then this little thing right here. And then this should come off. So put that to the side. And then that guy comes out there. That guy comes out there. And then let's see. And I think this whole piece will come off together. So take that. Let me get that. Should be pretty whatever. What's the word I'm looking for? Hello?
What?
Self-explanatory or easy? I don't know, it's easy. Not a brain fart. Here's that 10 back here. Take that dude off. Big plans for this car. Eventually, and I'm talking about eventually down the road, I'm definitely gonna build a motor. I'm definitely gonna try to shoot for like the 700-800 horsepower mark. Even see if you can stick your finger in there. If you have your kid helping you and he has skinny fingers, you can probably stick his finger in there and get that bolt out. Make sure you don't drop it, please. You can do this, I believe. The lighting situation is gonna be a problem. I gotta fix these lights. Put it in here. That's loose. Maybe we need to take this off some too. So we're gonna take this dude. Loosen up that strap. And then I guess this one. Ain't no way! I think it's tough. Let me take it off from right here first. Golly. That's a tough dude. Please. God, do I have to like, let it go that much? Maybe undo the strap more. It is. Ethan, maybe a fly. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lord mercy. I'm out of breath. I can't breathe. I got it. Right here,
Oh, it's probably right here.
there's another 10mm bolt that needs to come off. That's holding the harness. So we're gonna stick that in there.
These are for a car. I don't know why I brought this.
Ethan, come with the light so we can see. Hurry. It looks like a 12, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it is a 12. Okay. All right, one more. Should be on the back side of this. It's gonna be, let's see, right there. Right there. I think you can see that. Put that over too. And then this should be loose that we can take off. So just be careful, just kind of work it out of there. Like that. It's got a a gasket. We're gonna reuse that gasket, but this is gonna have to use and put basically right here. So just reinstall that grommet. Golly. Take the insert off, I guess, maybe, and then stick that in there. There you go. And then you can put the grommet back in there. Yeah, that was easy. Wow. I'll take this sensor off. It's really not gonna help, but I'm gonna take that sensor off. And then I'm gonna work this thing in here. Move this rubber hose. I'm gonna take that off to make it easier. And I'm gonna bring this up to the side. Like that, like this. I'm gonna bring this back up. This one's probably going to be a little bit harder, I think, because there's like no room. Oh, I dropped it. Alright, we're back. I got it. It went down to the pits of hell, and I really didn't want to lift the cart up, so I got it back. Alright, so back to putting this on there. Look, I will drop it in.
That was cool.
We got one harness up here. And those are 10s. Let me get a 10.
Pretty sure I have it in my pocket. Yep, in my pocket.
Ooh, I almost hit the car. Here. Put this dude right here. Set that in there. And then rotate it down. I don't know how you take this off, so that one's got a weird thing to it. So I'm gonna just pull it off, just like that, because it's got a weird thing here. You fart? Golly, brother.
I took a bite of the pork. I think that's what made me go fart.
I'm looking here. Here's one right here, another one. Take that dude out. Alright, this thing comes out completely right here, as you can see. See it? If you look at it, it's got a grommet, which we're gonna need, that grommet. This right here we're gonna need. So just pull the grommet out, the screw on that one. And then I believe we're gonna need this too. That goes right there. And then you have this piece right here. That we have the snake in there as well. And that piece will go in here. Just like that bracket comes off. And then this dude goes right in here somewhere. Let's see. So this dude come in here. The ECU is still being held on. Wow, I probably took the wrong screw out. I think it's this one. Alright, so now that everything's out of the way, kind of, this goes in here somehow, some way, and I don't know which way. But we're gonna do it together. So there's gonna go right there on top of that. So I'm gonna put this right here, hopefully we got good. And then you're gonna try to snake, there's a hole right here where you're gonna try to snake this piece right here into this hole. Kind of tedious, but it's not hard. Just make sure the map sensor wire doesn't get caught up under there, but bring it up here. Lighting is definitely your best friend here, bro, because let's see. So bolt all that in there. So here's one. This will go right here. This backside. The one goes right here. Just don't cross thread it. Put it in there by hand first. And then tighten it down. There. Now that goes right here like that. And then this guy. Put this guy in here. And then, for the last and not least, you're gonna kind of shimmy this in here. So that's on there pretty good. Face the arrow going to the motor. All right, so now we take this dude, and then we gotta take this plastic piece off of it. This guy, just like this, on this side. It says to run it to the bottom, but this is good enough, honestly. All right, first startup. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. Go ahead. One more time. All right, boys, there she goes. No check engine light. We're good. All right, give it one more rev. All right. So that's the complete install. So it wasn't too bad of an install. Kind of tedious a little bit in some of the spots. Obviously, my lighting situation doesn't help. We put it together. I don't know how long did it take us to do it. Maybe just because we were recording, probably took us 2 hours, maybe less. But that's what it looks like. She's looking good.